Making the appropriate decisions is crucial to addressing a complex problem, which requires both implicit knowledge and problem solving techniques. You may ride indispensable crossroads while coding in the Python environment. You deal with these type of situations with decision making. Decision making is the process that is carried out of conditions that may arise during program execution, and the structure of the decision evaluates various expressions to decide whether the conditions are true or false. If the result is true or false, it must be decided which action to take and which statement to execute. Let's look at an example of how to verify if an integer is odd or even using the if-else conditional statement. Let's call the variable x. Then we use the input function to allow the user to provide input and give a statement as enter an integer number. This statement will be read as a string value, so we use int function to convert it into an integer value. Next, we use the if keyword to define the if statement. Following that, we add the condition x mod 2 equal to 0. This means if x is an even number, the operation will return 0 as a reminder when divided by 2, and the if statement will be executed. As a result, the statement will be given integer number is even. Then we use the else to determine what to do if the given condition is false. And the outcome of this statement will be given integer number is all. Now save this file and run the program. As we all know, conditional statements are frequently used in Python to make decisions. It is possible to make decisions without using conditional statements. And in this case, let us execute the same odd even program without the if-else condition. Let us refer to the variable as x. The input function is then used to allow the user to enter input with the statement enter an integer number. This statement will be interpreted as a string, so we use int function to convert it to an integer. Then create a list by adding string literals such as given integer number is even, comma, given integer number is odd with the variable odd even. The square brackets are used to form expressions by evaluating a single character or item from a string. Now, using the x mod 2 operation, print the variable odd even. When the remainder is a 0 value, this operation evaluates and executes the first literal from the string. Else, the remainder is set to be a non-zero value. Therefore, the other literal is evaluated. We hope you find this video more informative. Our forum's mission is to inform you with basic principles and new ideas every week centered on skill development. Thank you.